In this video I'll show you how to remove your climate control from your Honda Accord 98 to 02. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a prying tool like this one. Maybe a thin knife can do the job. Just put it under the clock and slide it out this way. You can disconnect the clock just by pushing on the tabs and pulling. Here there's a screw, there's a Phillips screws right there. I know you can't see it well with this camera, but believe me, there's one. You'll need your Phillips head screwdriver and undo that screw. Don't lose them. Here I don't care, I'm at the scrapyard, but if you're gonna reinstall everything, you'll need it. Now there's two other Phillips head screws under here. You don't see them well this way, but if you just put your head down, you're gonna see them. Again, put your Phillips screwdriver and undo them. Here we go. This is the screw. Now you can just put your hands and pull this plastic panel. If it doesn't come out, take your prying tool and just unclip the plastic clips that are on each side. It will be much more easier. I'm trying this way, and here we go. Now the climate control, we need to unclip it. There are two connectors on the back. You just need to push the tab again and pull it. It's much easier with your screwdriver than with your fingers. Here we go, we have one of them. And for the other one you need to do the exact same thing. And it's all loose now. To remove the climate control, there are multiple Phillips screws. There are 5 of them, and you'll need to remove them obviously all one by one. Here, usually in the middle, there's one screw, but I think the last owner removed it and forgot to put it back. And once you do this, you have your climate control ready to be switched with a working one. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment and a like if this was helpful. See you in the next one.